Got a hole in the box.
Until you open it up.
Let's open her up. Here we go into another video. Another haunted happenings.
You never know what you have until you open it up. Well, so far so good. Let's see what we got here. Doesn't seem to be any damage. Really got lucky this time. All right. Seems like everything is here. Nothing's damaged so far that I can tell, but let's take a quick inventory. Seems like everything checks off. Yep, it's all here. Man, sigh of relief. I got a little nervous when I saw that box. I was thinking to myself, I should take it back. I should open it up right away, but I tend to procrastinate quite a bit. Well, you know what they say, better late than never. I just realized I'm not out of the woods yet. I was having a little trouble putting that piece, that bar right there in. It's a little bent. Oh, goodness gracious. Well, we'll see. Just look at her. She's pretty tall. I'm not complaining, I'm just pointing it out. Yep, I'm liking her. Well, there she is in all her glory. Yepers. She is beautiful. I like the fact that she's more earthy. An earthy witch, you know what I mean? Not evil. Everything seemed to be in the box, no damages. Still gotta plug her in. I gotta find me an extension cord, so to be continued on that part. But I got a question for you guys. What camp do you guys fall under? Do you read the instructions or do you wing it? Me myself, I'm more as in, if all else fails, read the instructions. I think I assembled enough of these to more or less put it together blindly, and so I think it's more fun that way. Nevertheless, let me go find an extension cord, and I need to tighten up her head. There's a screw in the back of her neck that you got to tighten. I guess I better do that as well. But I'll be right back. All done. Let's see what she does. Hi there. How are you?
Happy Halloween! Oh, the stars are in perfect alignment tonight. It must be nearly time to help the spirits arise. Oh, I I'm so happy you've come to help celebrate. And so have all my critters slithering around your feet.
She has like
Now, you best be careful.
a few phrases she goes through,
There are
and then one
lots
where
of
she just
snakes
cackles,
and
which that's my
spiders who
favorite.
just love to sink their teeth into you. Now, come along into my lair. I'll be sure to take good care of you, my pretty.
Well, there she is in all her glory. Pretty impressive if you ask me. I am quite pleased with her. Of course, there's some minor gripes, I guess you might call it. Her staff is a little flimsy and it's crooked. Well, what I mean is see the seams. You tighten it up, it kind of I don't know. I see it, and eventually the wear and tear is gonna fall apart. But as a quick fix, I'm gonna tweak him up a little bit as well. I don't really like the way the arm is. She's holding it out, thinking he should be down, but I can fix that. And her hair, the contrast, got long, or rather straight hair, and then kind of crimpy hair. Again, quick fix. Probably put a new wig on her, or try to straighten that out, or how would you put it? Style it, I guess. Need to get a stylist for her. Well, all in all, she's amazing. Do recommend you get one of hers. So Home Depot's Lethal Lily, I think is her name. However, as I do, I'm going to upgrade her, tweak her. She's going to be my, well, let me back up a little bit. My theme for the haunt this year is still debatable, but what I'm going to add to it, which I've been doing little by little, is putting some urban legends, some cryptos, I think is what it's called. She's actually going to be Baba Yaga. Yep. I do really like her style. She's more earthy, an earthy witch. I do love those earthy witches versus evil witches that have been having out. She just has a really good look to herself. Definitely like her a whole lot. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.
Oh, you want to leave? It's well known that those who enter my lair never leave. Now come along. I've been waiting for you for quite some time. And dearie, you'll be fine. A fine potion to make me immortal. I've been brewing a new potion, and I just need a few ingredients that you seem to have. One eye, a liver, a femur. I promise that it will be quick and mostly painless.